How to fix your Ring camera not connecting to 5G Wi-Fi. So the first thing you can do is to check if your Ring camera does support 5 GHz. You should be able to find information about your specific model in the Ring support app or the manual inside, or the manual I mean, that is provided to you once you get your Ring camera. And if your Ring camera is 2.4G only, you can only connect it to your router's 2.4 gigahertz network, and this is not an error, it is a device limitation. You can also separate your Wi-Fi network names if your router uses one shared name for both 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. Split them into two names like 2.4 and 5 gigahertz so you know which one to connect to. You can also reconnect the camera in the Ring app. So once you're in your device settings, the specific camera, go ahead into the device health, and then you should be able to find the option to reconnect or reboot or something like that. Then you can also try moving the camera closer to the router or do the opposite where you move the router closer to it's not really the opposite, but the same idea. So 5G is usually faster, but does have a shorter range sometimes. And if the camera is outside or far from the router, the 2.4G may just work better. Then finally, we've already mentioned it, but try restarting the router and camera as well. If you want to restart the camera, go to device health, scroll down, find reboot this device, and for your router, just unplug it for a while and reconnect it for maybe after a few seconds. But those are a few things you can try if your camera is not connected to 5G. It's probably just far. So hopefully this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.